What's up, YouTube? Yeah, I got the car running nice and smooth and quiet with the exhaust on there and everything like that. And I was watching my own YouTube channel because I support myself. And my son was watching an old video that he was in when he was riding in the coupe with me way back in the day. He was only 2 years old back then. He's literally grown up around this car his entire life. And he wants to go for another ride again. Are you ready? Let's do it. All right, so now that you rode in the coupe, what do you think? How was it? Tell me what you thought about it. How did it feel? What was the favorite part?
I thought my face was gonna come off.
Oh yeah. And there you have it. That's my son's reaction riding in the car again with the extra power. I mean, it's toned down a little bit or whatever, but as you see, it says it's still fast, so that's good enough for me. As long as it's making him smile, it's making me smile, I'm happy with the car. We'll see y'all in the next one.